Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz and I'm back on your screen, and when you see the scarf on my head or a bonnet, you know what time it is. It is wig review. I was contacted by Donmily, which is a human hair wig company, that wanted me to share with you all their headband wig. So I was excited to try it. I'm always excited when it comes to wigs and weaves and whatnot. It's so fun to me, you know, playing hair and makeup. So a lot of you all messaged me, wanted to know about the headband wigs. I know you guys hear about it on other channels, but I'm going to do my take on it. You might want to see it on, you know, a person with, you know, darker skin, caramel skin, whatever the case may be. I'm here to review the headband wig for you guys. Now, there are all kinds of headband wigs. You might see them long, short. You might see them blonde, red, burgundy, whatever the case may be, black. I'm just here to share with you all this one right here. And let me tell you a little bit about this hair. This is Donmily. It's a water wave headband wig. It's 150% density, and it's a natural color. Now, I told them that I wanted to try out the short, a little bit shorter inch, so I got the 14. I've had them all the way down to 22, honey. And this here box comes with the unit. I'm going to take it out, the plastic, and has the paper. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the unit. It's cute. It's cut in layers. It's cute. It looks like it's kind of wet, but it's not. Let me see. It's a really nice unit. It is constructed well. Sewing, because yeah, it's constructed well. Okay, so I have to examine it before I put it on my head. Okay, so we have the comb in the front. As you see, we have that band with the Velcro, which is always cool. And this one is really, it's thicker, but it looks like it's pretty good. I like the way this is made. And you have the comb in the front and you have the comb in the back. You don't have any combs on the side. So, but it's one of the wig itself, the headband wig is really secured on your head. Once you put it on, you put the Velcro, and you're pretty good to go. This looks like, I like the way it's made. I like the way how they, I guess, stitched it on here, honey. And then it comes with your free headbands. So they give you a ton of headbands. These are the 3 that they sent me. This one matches really well with what I have on, which is cool. So we'll probably wear that. And then you have your wig cap. So I am going to place this on. I have a wig cap on already, so you know, we do 100 over here. I have my hair still in braids. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna put your wig cap on once you get your headband wig. I'm gonna show you how to put this bad boy on. I'm gonna show you the easy way, okay? Because I know that there are beginners that are like, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna show you. I'm here to help you. So if this is too slow for you guys, you might want to exit stage left. But for those of you all who need a little tutorial, I'm here. Your girl is here. Okay, so you want to open up your, what they call headband, which is like so, or you can keep it in place. Some will stretch a little bit longer, you know, but over time I'm thinking that it might stretch. You might stretch it out. So I just suggest to, you know, preserve your unit because it is human hair and you want to take care of it. You just open up your Velcro, and then you take the comb in the back. Okay, you take your comb in the back and you want to bend your head down and tuck that comb underneath like so, and you just tuck all your hair underneath, which is the back. Make sure that you can see this back. You just want to tuck everything in, and it's going to look something like that. And you just pull this band part, you pull it forward, okay? And you can pull your let me get my mirror, y'all. I don't have my mirror in front of me, so you're gonna pull this part back, okay? And don't worry about if you don't have any baby hairs, honey. You can put this sucker, you can have it all the way to the front where they can't even see, you know what I'm saying? But if you want to leave out some kind of edges, or as they call it, baby hairs, then do that. Then you'll take your two straps and you're going to bring it all the way to the back. You can pin your hair up with it like a clip, and then you just put that Velcro on there like so. Make sure it's tight enough. Make sure it's to your liking, and you just comb it out with your hands, making sure. Yeah. Okay, I'm liking this here unit, and I'm going to lay my edges so that you guys could see how it looks, because I don't really like my hair all back like that. I need a little hair, in my opinion. I like the color too. It looks really rich, in my opinion. It looks really nice and rich for fall. It's like that fall hair. Looks like you just got out the pool type of hair. I'm feeling this. Okay, so let me get some gel. I'm gonna do my edges a little bit. Okay, so I have the edge control, which is the edge control of choice. You can use whatever kind you want, long as it's gonna stay in place. That's all that matters. And then I just take my edge control, and you know, I give myself a little swoop like so. You know, you don't even need that much because of how the hair is made. Make sure, yeah, you give it like a little, just a little natural swoop, not too much. Make sure I'm doing it right. Yeah, a little natural swoop. You don't need too much. Like that. That's pretty good. And that's a pretty good gel to use for your hair, because it just, even if by me being like natural, it'll just hold better, you know. So this is a really nice unit to wear. Let me fix it up for y'all. Yeah, this is cute because I love the cut. Sometimes you don't always want to have like a wet look going on, but this is like fun and flirty. That's cute. You can wear it up like so. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put on the headband since it matches my sweater. And you're going to take your headband. Now, the okay, now this little ruffle part, you're going to make sure that's towards the back. And you're just going to put your headband on. Bring it down to your neck. And then just bring it up. Now sometimes they'll send you headbands that are not big enough for your to your liking, but you can always wear a headband that you know, fits you. Now don't be alarmed that the black is showing, because that's cool. Your hair is black, and I mean, it looks good. So you could just push that back like so, and you know, you'll look, and now you're looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush, and there's so many styles that you can create. Even though I brushed it, it's not going to like mess up the hair's texture. You know, you can just wet it. I just wanted to brush it out a little bit just to make it more to my liking. Okay. Okay, so I'm really feeling this unit. It is so pretty. I love the texture. When it came out the package, it didn't have a smell or anything. It was just like ready to be put on and go. No fuss. You can just throw it on. And I don't even call this is an emergency wig, tell you the truth. This is an emergency unit. But for me, I would wear this to work. I'll probably wear this on tomorrow because it's just so easy to put on, and you can style it. And I like the fact that it's cut in layers because you can, you know, do that half up, half down look. Real simple. And have some hair hanging like so. If you like that look. And you know, there's so many looks you can do. I like the fact that you can make this as a ponytail, you know, and it's not too much. And let me turn around so that you can see. You can make this a really quick ponytail, and it looks good. I love it. It is so pretty. This is a really nice unit, and I want to thank Donmily for sending me this here unit to share with you all. This is really nice. You might want to go on their website and check it out, you guys. This is the 14-inch, and I love the length. Yes, I love it. I love it. This is pretty. I love the fact that you can put your hands through it. It's no shedding. As I'm putting my hands through it, I don't have any shedding. So yes, I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.